While a dedicated parliamentary discussion on educational reforms is scheduled, one of the demands seeking the resignation of the education minister still remains unsolved. Our correspondent Dharamjot Kaur has been tracking the developments on the ground. Reporting from Jantar Mantar in New Delhi, she spoke to a few student protesters who shared their concerns. Let's listen in.
With me is a group of students who have been attending the protest here at Jantar Mantar with respect to an overhaul of the education system in India, all of which started after the NEET paper leak scandal. But there are other host of issues that youngsters here have been talking about. So let's get a sense of what exactly is it that brought them to the protest, what are the demands and what are the expectations from the government. You guys mentioned that you've been here for the first time today. What was your trigger? Because this protest has been going on for about a month here, but it started first on June 6th. What was your trigger and your motivation to come here today?
Yeah, I am here for the betterment of education system, because education is one of the most basic right of our country, and if we don't have a good education system, how can we move forward to betterment of this nation? So I am here for the betterment of education, and that can happen if Dharmendra Pradhan ji has resigned. And I am also here to support the people who are sitting here protesting in this humid weather, in this hot weather, without even thinking about their own health and their families and their jobs. Even some children are missing their schools and colleges. So I am here to support all of them, and I just want to say that we deserve a better education system, and we deserve to fight for it, because this is a democratic country and it is right to education for all of us. So I am here to support all of them.
I think that we are asking for a very basic thing. Education is basic right. Everyone should be literate, and this is not something we should fight for. This is very basic. This should be inherited within us, and he is just a education minister. Anybody else can be an education minister as well. He is not the only person in the whole world who can be education minister. If he did a mistake, how can a person take a NEET and in the next month you are taking re-NEET, and then you are giving the result as soon as possible? How is it possible? Your NEET paper leaks, your re-NEET paper leaks, and the result is unfair. How will the doctors be nice? You want the people to die? We don't want the people to die. No, we are asking for a simple and proper education system. That is our basic right, and we will stand for it, and we want Dharmendra Pradhan's resign.
So as you guys can see, there has been a very common consensus among students here who have been protesting for long, or who even joined the protest now, is that accountability will only come once the education minister resigns, because that in a sense will instill this idea in the head of the administration, in the political corridors, that if something goes wrong, it is the highest people in position, the highest positions, that who will be responsible for everything that happens. Because it's not just about the education system or who's taking a paper or not taking a paper, it's also about lives that get impacted year after year after year. So that is where the conversation currently stands. The resignation, of course, has become a sticking point for the protesters, for the Cockroach Janata Party, for the opposition lawmakers in Parliament, and also for the centre that has yet to make a comment on this matter, whether or not the resignation comes, and what even happens if in case the resignation does come. Where does the systemic overhaul of the education system move from here? What are the kind of challenges that we're looking at? What are the kind of solutions that we're looking at? All of those conversations are only just beginning. But amid all of that, thousands of youngsters remain here at Jantar Mantar to continue their demonstrations.